Okay, friends, today we will talk about the youngest Pakistani hero, Iqbal Masih. Was born in 1983, sold into bonded labor to a carpet weaving business. His father had borrowed money from the employer, worked for 12 hours daily. He escaped when he was 10 but was caught and brought by police to his native place. Then what happened, friends? He was sent again to carpet weaver. He escaped again and his this time he joined Bonded Labor Liberation Front of Pakistan. He worked with them to free the children like himself and was successful in freeing about 3,000 children. It's great for him, and I must say that it's a very courageous task which he did. He was shot dead in 1995 when he was only 11 years old. Iqbal was assassinated allegedly by carpet mafia after he helped over 3,000 Pakistani children to escape their bonded slavery. However, his legacy lives on.